You won't get very far in woodworking before you need to use one of these. Keep watching for 5 quick chisel tips. There are many different types of chisel, but we will only be looking at 2. This is a bevel edge chisel, a general purpose chisel. This is a cabinet maker's chisel. It's a bit more refined. If you compare the blades, you can see the bevel edge chisel is much thicker. Your chisels need to be very sharp. If you don't know how to sharpen your chisels properly, you will never advance your woodworking. Go and find out how to sharpen as soon as possible. A sharp chisel should be able to slice through hardwood end grain. And leave a pristine finish on long grain. This is how you should hold your chisel. Dominant hand on the handle, the other hand on the blade. Both hands behind the sharp bit. I'm left-handed, so adjust to suit. Sometimes it's impractical to hold the workpiece in a vise, like when cleaning these dovetails. In these situations, use your fingers as a fence to stop the chisel moving through the work and cutting the other hand. Always work safely. A properly sharpened chisel will put you in the hospital in an instant. If you try and remove too much material in one go, you will end up ruining your work. Chisels are really good at removing small amounts of material. Take several light passes. Don't chop straight into the edge of your joint. This will move the edge back and cause gaps in your joints. Start away from the knife mark and remove as much waste as possible. Before working your way back to the edge with several small cuts. Set your work up like this when chopping 90-degree angles. You can see if you have the right angle or not. You can also place a small square on your work to help you see the angle correctly. I hope you found these tips helpful. If so, please like and subscribe, or leave a comment with suggestions for further videos. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.